Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching the Bing app and signing in. This gives you saved preferences and personalized results. Enter your Microsoft account credentials or tap Guest to skip. Once done, grant the microphone and location permissions only if you want voice searches and local results. Make sure to enable notifications for alerts you care about. These initial choices determine how responsive and relevant Bing will be. So pick the account and permission. You perform searches by typing or tapping the mic and speaking naturally. Bing understands conversational queries. Once you search, switch between Search, Chat, Compose, and Image tabs to refine or transform results. Use filters like Time Range, Region, Safe Search, and Media Type to narrow results quickly. If you need source details, expand a result to view citations and summaries. Make sure to use the Compose features for drafting text or the Image tool for visual queries. Each tab speeds. You wrap up by saving useful content to collections or pinning results so you can return quickly. When you need to send something, tap Share and use the system's share sheet to copy a link, send to apps, or export images. If searches misbehave, first clear the app cache and ensure the Bing app is updated. Then toggle microphone or location permissions and restart the app. If problems persist, sign out and back in. This often resets account sync and resolves stuck settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.